Hola, buenos días. Mi nombre es Jen Avellaneda Rayo, el representante México, and I'm with Miss USA.
Hello.
And Miss Korea is here too. She's still sleeping.
Oh.
We're going for the tree planting activities, and Miss Egypt, Namibia, and my Señorita Venezuela is still sleeping.
Hello. Hello. Como si Mr. Bean? Mr. Bean. Hello. Hello.
Okay.
Miss Namibia is
Hi.
lucky.
We're on our way to our activity, the second activity. After the press conference, we're on our way to the town of Compostela in the north of Cebu. And it's very exciting because it is our way to be involved environmentally and help environmental problems that we're going.
And we're so happy to be one of the lucky finalists of this Queen Protector